AscendTMS, the world's #1 rated TMS software. Are you sick, tired, and confused when trying to figure out your driver payroll? Of course you are. Driver payroll is one of the most complex and difficult processes to get right because there are so many moving parts. The good news is with AscendTMS, your driver payroll will be so easy to process that you can even do it while soaking up some rays at the beach. AscendTMS can run your weekly payroll settlements, help process those payments, and even help answer your driver's specific payroll and tax questions for you. Let our partnership with Superior Trucking Payroll Services help you sleep well at night. You'll know that you have the true trucking payroll experts on hand that'll save you on your payroll costs, answer your questions, and do all the work needed to get your drivers paid accurately and on time every single week. So don't worry about your driver payroll. AscendTMS will set you on the right path for all of your payroll processing needs. For more information, contact us via email at support@inmotionglobal.com. AscendTMS, the logistics software for everyone. To stay up to date with the latest help videos and tutorials for AscendTMS, click that subscribe button. That way you can always be the first to know.